Jace, where are we off to?
Well, we're gonna head down to Dick's Sporting Goods, see if we can find one of those Orbeez water guns.
The gel blasters. Those nice good old gel blasters, baby.
Don't want to get caught lacking in Chicago, that's for sure.
Nah, we're coming after High Side, and we're coming after you, Brian. Both you, dunzo. All right, Jace, did we find them?
We found them. Walmart has the jackpot.
The jackpot.
So we got the pistol, the loading container, and an extra bag of 20,000.
They're not gonna know what hit them,
I
huh?
don't know. I don't know what's coming.
I'm so pumped up. Joe and Brian are gonna think they're the only ones with these things. No more.
They're not bullying us anymore.
Nope. All right, we got the things ready to go. Got to get back to the hotel. We don't have much time. So we're doing a quick charge on one of these for now. Kit pack, hook up the quick charger.
Oh yeah, I got it. The USB-C.
Oh no, it might not work in the quick charger. That's the wrong one.
I got the USB. When we go back to the hotel, I'll hook up the USB-C. I have a fast charger that came with my Oculus.
Really? Same thing?
Yeah.
What? That's gonna be perfect. We gotta fill these up with water, so hopefully this is gonna fill up long enough. And put it in my bags on the ground. Oh my god.
Like a shot in the face, man.
Well, we got them already growing in there.
It's gonna take a little while, I think, but
Yeah.
we're just gonna strap them onto the grounds and
Right down with them. We'll check back in a little bit. Joe Blasters for life. Colin, you're not out of this either. Boom, 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 boom.
I call. I'm not playing.
You're playing.
I call truce.
You have to dry it like this with the blanket.
I call truce.
Shit, my boy.
Let me see what you got in here.
Let me see.
Strapped up.
You know, the boys aren't gonna be ready for it.
Oh, we're ready.
This is like the what's it called, the ray gun from Call of Duty Zombies.
High Side Brian. It's all over.
All done. All done. We came to play.